Jackson, 157 Ricky Wilson, and the 27R of Sean Rudolph. So our B bracket is going to be an 8-lap heat race. All of our B brackets are, as the top the top 5 will be advancing to the feature. Here they come! Green flag and we're racing!
And it's going to be the 84 of Elliott Vogel out front early. Oh, trouble on the backstretch with the 12 of Riley Mullen.
And he almost went up on his side.
And that'll bring out the caution flag. All kinds of problems with that 12 machine of Riley Mullen. Bouncing off the wall over there. In turn number 3, safety crew over there going to check it out. Speedway on them all, safety crew.
Lights on the car corner, pace car out. We are going racing this next time. Here we go. They're in the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come, they come, they come. Green flag and we're racing.
And on the outside, it's that green machine, Scott Ingram, trying to hold off the 84 of Elliott Vogel. 73 machine of Matt Chester in 3rd. And a battle out there in 5th. You got 3 of them out there, but right now holding on to it. The 157 of Ricky Wilson, just over the 83 of Thomas Andrus.
So our top 5, once again, our top 5 will advance to the feature. And Ricky Wilson and Matt Chester racing around Elliott Vogel. And that just got very interesting. As it's going to be the 157 of Ricky Wilson to hang on and try to battle Vogel for 2nd.
Yeah, the 84 of Elliott Vogel, he got kind of pinballed around out there, lost his lead, and is settled into the 2nd spot as Scott Ingram in that 60 machine is rolling.
And Matt Chester hanging on to 4th. Chris Jackson hanging on the transfer spot, but here comes the 83 of Thomas Andrus.
Yeah, Chester in there at the 73, Jackson right behind him, Andrus on top of them, trying to get to that 4th spot.
Just wonder if Scott Ingram will be able to hold them off for this win. We are halfway through at this point. But here comes the 157, Ricky Wilson. He's on a charge. He's going to challenge Scott Ingram for the lead.
And those two will continue to stay out front. Elliott Vogel having all kinds of problems.
So it's Ingram, Wilson, Vogel, Chester, Jackson. It could be Jackson for 4th. The battle in transfer spot is 5. Here comes Rudolph.
Doesn't have a red nose for a reindeer, but...
Whoa! Oh, no! Rudolph goes around with the battle of Andrus and Ronnie Robinson. White flag out. What's going to happen? Yellow flag now is out.
As Todd Snow.
And smoke's coming out of the Ronnie Robinson machine in 47.
Yeah, that's not good along the back stretch over there. Him in the 83, Thomas Andrus. Sean Rudolph, Ronnie. I'm not sure how that song will start, but somewhere in the middle that'll follow its way in there.
All right, so we are 2 laps away from completing this race. Lights on the pace car are out.
And one won't make it.
As Scott Ingram is going to bring him around as he is now entering the Raw Start Collision Center restart zone. Raw Steel Collision Center restart. Here they come. Green flag and we're racing.
And Ingram going to get taken by the line by Ricky Wilson.
Yeah, Ricky with the real quick move. Here we go. Ricky wanting the win. He wants to be in the Bahamas.
Chester in 3rd, Jackson in 4th, Andrus trying to hold off Snow.
Well, Snow better kick it in gear if he wants to grab and move on to the feature. As the battle for 5th, for 5th. Whoa, Jackson spins out into Todd Snow.
No way.
Who's going to get last?
Get out of the car and run.
Who's going to do it? Are they going to get out and run? Oh, it's going to be Todd Snow. Look out. And the second place car of Scott Ingram broke out. So if Chris Jackson can get the car across the line, he's going to be in it.
Push him.
I don't know. I don't know if you get out and run, if that counts.
You'll have to start singing the Chariots of Fire if he
does that.
I wonder
if he knows. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. They have Chris Jackson scored ahead
of Sean Rudolph.
Of Scott Ingram, because Scott Ingram broke out. I'm still waiting to see what's going to happen here. He's going to get out and try to walk to the start-finish line, or what's he going to do? Push.